Hey, what's going on, everybody? This is Cliff with Pink Flamingo Power Wash. I'm back with a brand new video for you guys. Today we're gonna be working in Tampa. We're gonna be doing a tile roof cleaning. Stevie's supposed to meet me up over there. We're gonna be in New Tampa. Got this customer for yard sign, man. So, you know, they thought the roof could be pressure washed because on my signs, all I have is pressure washing and my phone number. But, you know, I had to let them know we do soft washing on the roofs, no pressure. Right now we're at Ameritech in Tampa getting some chlorine or SH, filling up for the day. You know what I'm saying? I actually gonna fill up for a couple days. I got a 65-gallon tank, so that lasts me a while. This roof here is the house is 1,700 square feet, so the roof is probably around like more like 2,400 square feet total. Nice little ticket, you know what I'm saying, for the day. Kind of cloudy day out here, but you know, it's gonna warm up later on. I got my hoodie on, it's like 54 degrees right now. So we're filling up the SH tank. See it filling up. Make sure I stand up here so I don't overflow it. That surfactant has been in there for like 2 weeks and it's still, oh, there it goes. Starting to bubble up. Right on time, right? Put a little bit more in there. Right now I got about close to 60 mark, so right around 55 gallons in there. It's good enough. Let's see if I can squeeze a little bit more in there. Alright, that's good. Let's get this thing out of here. See how big this hose is, man? This thing fills up super fast compared to pinch a penny. Look at this massive hose. And yes, sir, this is where we get the SH from. My man Al hooks me up back here. 2 tanks. Good people over here, man. All right, guys, catch you on the job. All right, you guys, we're at the job right now. Stevie's with me. We're just watering down all the hedges and stuff like that. They do have a gutter system, but you know, we still gonna do the property protection. So Stevie's starting out on that right now. What up, Steve?
What up, what's going on?
Man, chilling, man, getting this work in. This neighborhood was built about 5-6 years ago, so all the roofs are starting to get dirty. As you see across the street, there's a pressure washing company. Scotty's Pressure Washing, I think it's called. He's over there washing some roofs. He does a lot of work in here. The customer told me that all these residents are getting letters from the HOA about cleaning the roof, and they have 14 days to get it done. So he told me I should leave them some cards and also drop some off at these customers' houses while I'm here. So Steve's gonna water down the plants. I'm gonna go up top and show you guys what the roof looks like. All right, so we getting after it. Like my man Don would say, like I said, you see all these roofs, how dirty they are? Next door neighbor is probably gonna get theirs done after they get this one done. All the way down, man. So Scotty's pressure washing is over there doing his thing. Pretty cool, man, to be working next to another pressure washing company. Came over, introduced ourselves. We're not in competition. You know what I'm saying? We're just out here trying to feed our families, man. So we're gonna start from this back section here in the back. This roof is pretty dirty. A lot of algae. Like I said, they're pretty old. 5-6 years old. Built algae. You see how black this one is over here. Well, this one here's gonna pop because of the color of that roof. When I'm done with it, it's gonna look real good. So we're gonna go in the back section, which probably has more algae than the front, because back there they have the little swamp back there. Swamp people. So see how black these are. I think this is the worst side of the house right here. Look at that. Take a look back here. Oh yeah, this is bad. Look how bad this looks. So I'm gonna start spraying from back here and then move to the front. coming along pretty well, as you guys see. Look at this side, look at that side. Major difference. Scotty over there, he has a gas roof pump. He can hit the front sides from the ground in the front, but he can't do the sides because the size of the building kind of is too close, so he can't really see over the top. So he's on the ladder doing the top from the side of the building. Moving along pretty well. You see the difference between here and those areas that are done compared to this black section right here in the front. Everything else is completed. I mean, look at that, man. Come on, man. Give me a thumbs up, guys. If you like this kind of content, give me a thumbs up. Whole different roof, man. I'm definitely getting these neighbors. I'm gonna see if I can get Scotty on the channel. We're not in competition, like I said, man. We're all working, man. We're just working out here. All right, I'm gonna knock out this little side right here, and then I'll move on to the front piece. You guys, I'm with Scotty's pressure washing out of Tampa. Welcome to my channel.
Thank you, sir.
I just met him when I started this job here. So, man, tell me about yourself, man.
So I'm Scotty's Pressure Washing, Scott Fellingham from Scotty's Pressure Washing. Been in business, it'll be 5 years, March 1st. So we're out here with him, cleaning roofs at Esplanade of Tampa, getting the job done.
Yes, sir. What do you service in Tampa?
I service all the Wesley Chapel, New Tampa, Lutz, Land O'Lakes area.
Okay, so it's all, we both service the same area because I'm in Lutz myself. So, man, thank you for coming out, man, doing a great job. I see you over here with the gas roof pump.
Yes, sir.
Man, he was out like Speedy Gonzalez on me, man. I tried to keep up with him, man.
I asked him if he wanted to race.
Hey, we got done about the same time, though. You know, we taking our time. We're not trying to rush through the job. We're trying to leave a good product for the customer. Thank you, man, for being on the channel, man.
Absolutely.
Thank you. Nice to meet you, man.
Nice to meet you, too.
All right, see you later.
All right, buddy.
All right, you guys, we're all finished here. I'm gonna show you guys the aftermath of the job. All right, you guys, this is the aftermath here. Still wet, it's drying up over there. You can see what it's gonna look like. But man, you can't beat this. Like a whole new roof. Whole new roof up here. That. This area was the worst. We're looking pretty good. The back area. Perfect job, perfect 10. All right, you guys, man, I appreciate the support you guys have been giving me. If you got any questions, drop them in the comment section. I'll help you guys the best as I can. Make sure you comment, like, and subscribe if you're new to the channel. And I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one. Peace.